43. Christ versus Caesar. One of the dramatic and revealing scenes of early church history, repeated tens of thousands of times, comes to us out of ancient documents. On July the 17th, AD 180, in Carthage, the Roman proconsul P. Vigilius Saturninus had been before him on trial a Christian, Spiritus of Scylla in Numidia. Spiritus was ordered to renounce his faith and to, quote, swear by the genius of our Lord the Emperor. Spiritus, like thousands before and after him, chose death by declaring, I know no imperium of this world. I know my Lord, the King of kings and Emperor of all nations. What was the issue? Rome insisted that it was ready to grant religious liberty, provided that any church or religion acknowledged the Roman Emperor as Lord and the right of Rome to control, regulate, tax and issue permits for churches. The Christians refused this kind of freedom as no freedom at all. It would make the church the creature of the state. This was the cause of the conflict between Rome and the church. The issue was lordship. Who is the Lord? Christ or Caesar? The same issue is with us again. One federal or state agency after another seeks to control the church and the Christian school and to make the existence thereof dependent on the state. The outcome of any surrender to the state's claim is totalitarianism. In the Soviet Union, the Constitution guarantees religious liberty more precisely than in the US. It also guarantees freedom of speech, the right to assembly and petition, and much more. All of these quote-unquote rights, however, are non-existent. Are we headed in the same direction? Very clearly we are, unless again many thousands of Christians make a stand like that of Spiritus in the year of our Lord 180. Will you